Today I'm going to show you how to add widgets on Windows 11 desktop. Start by pressing on the Start menu and going to the Microsoft Store. On the search bar, type in Widget Launcher and press on this Widget Launcher app and press on Get. Now let the app download, and once is ready, press on Open. Now press on the widget you want to add to your desktop. I'll press on the calculator for this example and press on Launch Widget. As you can see, the calculator is being added to our desktop. Now let's close this calculator and try another widget by going to the Widget Launcher app again and selecting an app. This time I'll choose the Calendar Widget app and change a couple of settings like the color and transparency, and I'll press on Launch Widget. Now wait a couple of seconds while this app launches. As you can see, now we have this Calendar Widget app in our desktop, and that's it guys. That's how to add widgets on Windows 11 desktop. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.